This is me navigating through Lagos, Nigeria, the most popular black city in the world. A city often spoken about but rarely understood. To break the stereotypes, the story of Lagos must be told by the people who live in it. If you've ever met a brilliant Nigerian, a quick thinker, a problem solver, there is a good chance Lagos raised them. This is Lagos, a city that has produced some of the most educated black minds on earth. Known for its fast pace, Lagos teaches survival the way no textbook can. They say if you can survive in Lagos, you can survive anywhere in the world. Resilience, determination, hope, faith, that is the Lagos DNA. And then there's the humor. Lagos humor isn't just jokes, it's medicine. A tool that helps 20 million people navigate through the ups and downs of the Nigerian reality. Even in really difficult times, Nigerians will find a way to crack jokes. Yeah, respect is very important. In Lagos, respect opens doors degrees cannot. In some places in Lagos, a respectful illiterate will make it big before a cocky Harvard graduate. You refer to elders as Mrs., Mr., or Auntie, Uncle, even if you're not related to them. A humble and respectful illiterate can rise through billion-dollar institutions faster than a cocky Harvard graduate. For generations, this city has produced thinkers, innovators, problem solvers, people shaping industries around the world. Look closely behind some of the fastest growing African startups, behind global multinational teams, behind creative breakthroughs sweeping the internet, you would always find Lagos trained professionals, sharp, adaptive, and relentless. They are ready to achieve goals at any means necessary. Yet, despite all of this, the global media keeps painting Lagos as a no-go zone, a chaotic city, a scam capital, a danger zone. Yes, Lagos has bad eggs. Look around you and you will see that every major city in the world does as well. But somehow, the world chooses to define Lagos by its war stories and ignores the millions rewriting narratives every single day. Let's talk about the backbone of Lagos, the market women. Women who wake before dawn. Women who carry economies on their heads and their backs. Women who can calculate profit faster than your best calculator. They negotiate with precision, read faces like open books, and survive the unpredictable rhythm of the city with unmatched intelligence. They are not scammers. They are only just trying to provide for themselves and their loved ones. Across the crowded streets and yellow buses, another Lagos is rising. A Lagos where young people in co-working spaces are building apps, launching fintech giants, creating Africa's unicorn companies. Some of Africa's biggest tech breakthroughs, payment solutions, logistic platforms, AI innovations began in Lagos bedrooms, Lagos cafes, and Lagos hackathons. The world sees chaos, but inside that chaos, innovation is booming in Lagos, Nigeria. Then enter the content creators. Millions of Nigerians are building million-dollar brands through content creation. In Lagos, filmmakers and comedians are making content with nothing but phones, ring lights, and creativity. Lagosians are rewriting the global content economy. They are proving that visibility isn't gifted, it is built. The image of Lagosians should not be defined by movies or headlines. The hard-working Lagosian, who has a meaningful and honest source of livelihood, should not suffer for the sins of a few. This city is loud, messy, chaotic, beautiful, and complicated. But above all, this city is human. This is Lagos, Nigeria.